We are delighted to say that we are going to be teaching from the 14th of September. Our first year students, our entrants, are going to be starting their orientation week on the 7th of September. For those that can make it to St Andrews, we are going to offer dual mode delivery teaching. Now that means that part of your learning is going to be online and part is going to be in person. All our lectures are going to be recorded. Our tutorials are live. You're going to receive that world-class teaching experience that St Andrews is renowned for. For those of you that can't make it to St Andrews, we're going to deliver expert online delivery until such time that you can transition to the university. Come September, all our lectures are going to be recorded, so you've got access to them after they're actually delivered.
I was worried about the transition to online teaching, but the university has made it as smooth as possible. My lectures are now delivered through recordings, and these are great as I can listen to them at my own pace and re-listen if needed.
They've managed to send us all of our work in so many different mediums. I can pause and rewind my lecturers, and we're still learning as a class, either on video or with live typing on Teams instead of on our own, which has been great.
He has a point. Stories are powerful and power-filled. They have a life of their own. They break free of their originators and travel in rolling networks of support.
Our tutorials are going to be live. You're going to have small group teaching. You're going to have face-to-face contact with our world-class academics, and they're going to know you by name. This is part of the St Andrews student experience that we are very, very famous for, and you're not going to miss out on that come September.
But this is my productivity tool number one, the big one, is my massive whiteboard, which I did not know was going to be this massive, but I didn't grow up using centimeters, I grew up using inches.
Tutorials are lively, they're full of conversation and debate, and a great way to explore your passion further and learn more. We challenge you, you challenge us, but everyone goes away learning a lot more about the subject with different global perspectives.
My tutorials have been delivered by video call, which was strange at first, but it's really nice to see friendly faces, and it's a great way to get everybody contributing to the discussion.
And having online office hours for us to talk to them if we have any problems, which is something that I feel has been really, really helpful.
The support that we're getting is absolutely bar none, and I think it's safe to say that I'm still getting the high quality St Andrews experience that I've come to expect as a student.
We think the University of St Andrews is one of the most beautiful places for you to study in the world. All our global student body that come from all over the world and our international staff call St Andrews their home. It's small, it's safe, and it's Scottish. Reach out to me or a member of my team in admissions and let us know how we can help you. We will schedule a one-to-one chat with you. We will respond immediately by email, or we can invite you to join one of our virtual events, which will introduce you to the rest of the global St Andrews community.